Tucked away in Malibu's exclusive Serra Retreat, Villa Mariposa is a masterfully renovated Mediterranean estate that proves you don't need to cross the Atlantic to live like European royalty. Spanning over 1.5 lush acres, this architectural gem blends subtle Moorish accents with a flawless rustic meets modern aesthetic. From the moment you step through the flower-canopied courtyard, the craftsmanship demands attention. A towering hallway spills into a sprawling sunken living room where oversized French doors frame a resort-style pool and mature tropical gardens. Authentic, tactile details are the stars of the show. Rich wood-beamed ceilings, textured stucco walls, and solid artisan doors crafted from globally sourced woods. The heart of the home seamlessly transitions into an intimate, dome-ceilinged dining room anchored by antique brickwork and one of the estate's 5 fireplaces. But Villa Mariposa isn't just a feast for the design obsessed, it's a masterclass in experiential living. The daily routine here rivals a 5-star wellness retreat. After a morning session in the professionally equipped gym, infrared sauna, or steam room, residents can unwind in the state-of-the-art theater. Complete with a traditional shelf-lined library, a basketball court, and enough concealed parking for a 23-car soiree, Villa Mariposa is an intoxicating blend of grand-scale entertaining and quiet, sun-drenched sanctuary. This estate proves that you can, in fact, have it all without ever actually needing to leave the house.